Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a way which you can check your battery health. Yes, your battery health. As you all know, Android still don't have this setting where you can check your battery health. As of iPhone, we all know iOS have it since then. So in today's video I'm going to show you a way which you can check and know everything about your battery and how it is going. So first of all, you need an app called aBattery. aBattery. Yeah, this is right here. This app. So you install it. So after the installing, you open the app. As you can see, this is my percent right here, and this phone is actually 5,000 mAh, but you can see it has reduced to 4,369 mAh, which is massive reduction from the battery health. Here you can see the battery info gold maximum capacity. This one you have to get some requirement for the developer to connect the app with the Xeon application for you to get more details on this massive capacity, manufacturing date, and first usage date. All this you have to give it a permission from. So this is it. As you can see, the charging voltage currently is 5.0 volts, and charging current is 2.9 mAh. Oh, yeah, ampere. Sorry, ampere. Charging policy. Yeah, valid charging valid. So yeah, for this, let's try and get this. Let's install this. So you click open. All right. So let's go to our first app and go to start server. This enable wireless debugging. This wireless debugging is automatically disable network change. USB turn on. So let's go to first of all. Alright, so please be a developer option page. So I need to go and turn my phone into a developer. So to do this, come to your setting about phone. So this OS version. So you click on this OS version, you double tap it. I don't know, this how my phone is. You can see here you are now a developer. Yours might be different, might be in a separate site, but it should be related to your phone's version. So once you click it, so currently I'm a developer now. So I can just come to the app and click on developer option. As you can see, it takes me right to here, and they say I should enable USB debugging or wireless debugging. Alright, easy. I just enable it. So I had to connect to a Wi-Fi. So I don't think, let's just leave that. But if you still want to know the first date your battery was first used and the manufacture date and everything, you should do it, as it just kind of cool to know how your battery is doing and how healthy it is. So I will just go. Yeah, I want to off the developer options. Some prefer it because the developer option is really cool, but I just don't like it. But if you let me show you example of things you can do in developer options. Like you can oh sorry, I've already offed it. I think that's alright. So you can want to check some easy settings, and though here are a lot of settings that do require that you cannot do with just your normal phone till you are in a developer mode, which you can do here. I'm still looking for. Alright, let's check this. As you can see, currently it's at 392. If I make it 350, you can, let's say okay. It's still working. You can see it becomes more bigger. Alright, it becomes more bigger. That's how you can, and again you can also reduce it and increase it to some certain limit. Where is my alright? So now I'm just going to move it to 400 and show you how it will. Okay, you can see the 400 size here is kind of too small. 450 will be much. You can see, look how tiny it is. So there are a lot of settings that you can do in this developer option. There are a lot, just a lot. So you just find the one you wish. And for me currently, I don't like it, so I'm just gonna make it to the default and off the developer option. Okay, then let's just off it. So once I off it and leave here, I cannot just come back and on it. I have to go there and do same process, which is you have to go to your of about the phone. You have to go to about the phone and retap this here right here. You have to retap it for it to turn to the developer option. For it to bring out the developer option again. That's it. Thank you for watching.